Hey guys, Grant Hahn here. Beautiful day in Omaha, Nebraska, and today we're gonna spend some time outside smoking. We're not gonna spend all day outside because we're smoking steaks. Not gonna take as long as usual. You're not gonna have to dedicate that 10 to 12 hours. We're talking an hour or less. We're gonna make some beautiful smoked steaks. So next we're gonna decide what variety of wood we're gonna use. There's a lot of things on the market. There's sweet woods like cherry, peach, and apple. There's other hardwoods like hickory and mesquite that are common with barbecue. I like to start with an easy ratio of 50-50. I like to use 50% sweet at a minimum and 50% blended with whatever else you'd like. The general rule of thumb for choosing a steak of smoking on a grill, I like to use is 1.5 inches thick or greater. It's gonna give us a good amount of smoke exposure while that steak comes up to our desired temperature before we sear it. For more tips on how to smoke a steak at home, check out omahasteaks.com/blog.